today we're going to be doing the one sleeve challenge. I only have one sleeve left, so I can only protect one card. Here's our 3 packs, and here's our one sleeve. Let's get opening. Once I put a card down, I can't pick it back up and sleeve it. Holographic energy. I don't think I'm going to be sleeving you up. Nah. Oh, that's very cool, but I think we can get something better. Another holographic energy. Nah. Another Pokeball. I think we can get something better. I need a hit or nothing's getting sleeved. Nah.